Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze. Today we're going to do a quick HVAC vlog. We have these two units here. We have a Frigidaire from 2016 and an early 2000s digitally controlled hire. So I'm looking for one of these hires with mechanical controls, so if anyone has one of those, let me know. Frigidaire needs cleaned, same with the hire. I'm actually going to be doing a trade with someone, a friend of mine. I'm not sure if you remember my Whirlpool Quiet Miser used to have the rotted out coil. But the friend of mine that I sold that to, he actually has found two other vintage units. One of them is a Crossley with a reciprocating compressor, and the other one is a Fetters, like a mid-80s Fetters. But anyway, time to fire up both of these. Stick our thermal couple in here and see what we get out of this unit. Well, we'll wait a bit. Compressor. This has a highly rotary. Previous owner of this did a thermostat mod. We'll see how cold this gets to. This is an R22 unit, I believe. I actually don't know. The data on this one's long gone. We'll see. I think it built head pressure already. I really like the control panel on this one. If I would have kept this one will probably be getting redone. Being cleaned up and then repurposed and then resold. Back of this one's very bare. It's pretty much just an LG unit, but it's been reskinned. If anyone's wondering, because I need to go over here and grab its filter, there's the Emerson. KB's actually coming to pick that one up hopefully within the next month. And then here's my childhood GE, which probably deserves a startup. The humidity out here is like really bad. I don't want to change the fan speed because how the control panel works on this, if I change the fan speed, it'll kick off the compressor. I might as well try seeing if I can get it up to high speed quickly. It is blowing about 70. It's very hot outside, so. Let's see. Anyway, let's get the Frigidaire plugged in. So here's the Frigidaire. Filter reset lights on. It's pretty disgusting. I have the filter cover for it over there. And hopefully it works. I got the little thermostat out of the thing here. I lost the little cover or whatever it was for it. Let's see what it does over here in the back. Compressor's over here. It's a Quiang. That one has a Highly. I'm not sure if I already said that. This has a Welling fan motor. I'm gonna guess this has an LG fan motor. I can't tell. I don't know what fan motor it is. I'm gonna guess and go with it's an LG. These Frigidaires are pretty common around here. We'll see. Wait until this one actually turns on. Now that higher here, I know it cools. But the reason why it was a bit warm is probably just because of how warm it is outside. And I put the Frigidaire side panels on it because I was actually going to clean this one up and use this unit because I like this one better. These Frigidaires are kind of junk in my opinion, but good parts unit. But it is absolutely filthy. I do like the little air diffuser discs. I always thought the design of those are pretty cool. So let's wait till this thing actually kicks on. I'm not sure if I'll go to start up the Quiangs. There's plenty of videos of these modern units starting up. still recording. I have to wait for the stupid delay timer. I was gonna. There goes the compressor. Someone put the little tag for the plug in there. Both of these I found, actually these were on the porch of a house. I asked a guy if I could have them. He said I could take both of these for free. Bottom of the coil on this one gets a bit frosted up. Hopefully this one won't short cycle. Frost at the bottom, I see that too. There's frosted up. After I test both of these in the next hour or so, the two vintage units will be showing up, and then we can start taking a look at those and messing around with those units. I don't think this one's a short cycle. I think it's warm enough outside today, so that's good. .68. These Frigidairs can blow really cold. Air movement on them, and air movement on this one's actually pretty good, even though it's restricted. It's quiet. These things are quiet. That's probably the good thing about these. After this one, I think I'll fire up the higher and mess around with that one a bit more. Wow, that actually feels really good. It's hot out here, and the cold air that this thing's discharging absolutely feels wonderful. I'm not sure if this one will shut off though, so I think this one may actually continue running, so that's probably a good thing. Guess we'll have a look at the backside. I think I already did. The sticker on this one's actually starting to fade. This one's very disgusting. I remember actually seeing this one installed. The higher, not so much. I don't believe really I saw the higher, but this one for sure I remember seeing. Because I remember seeing that this one was like very, very dirty. And wow, this just feels cold. This feels good actually. On a day that's this hot, that's probably maybe the lowest I'll probably get out of the meter. Try to see if I can get this little piece of detritus out. The just discharge vents on this thing are filthy. I wish good luck to the person that's buying these off of me, or at least trading these for me or whatever. I really wish you the best of luck. These are both very disgusting units. The higher is not as bad as this one. And these Frigidairs, I remember I cleaned one I found. It was sitting outside for like 2 years. It cleaned up okay, and I actually was able to use it for a bit until the control board started to smoke badly. The capacitor actually blew up in it, which I was kind of a shame, but yeah. I don't think this one's going to short cycle. It appeared to build head pressure. It's nice and ice cold, so yeah. I don't think I got the really cold temps out of the higher, but if there's a few more minutes here, I guess I'll probably unplug this, plug in the higher, and run that for a bit. So I'm guessing the reason why this was short cycling the other day was probably because it was about 50 degrees outside. It was kind of a chilly day, the day where I obtained both of these units. I will say that cooling compressor does sound pretty angry. I've been running it for about 2 minutes now, actually off camera, and dropped it down about 58. I'm pretty sure this is about the coldest I can go, 58 and a half. But this is probably the coldest I can make this unit blow. Just look at how grimy this is, if it'll focus. That's just filthy. I think after this we'll fire up the higher, see how that one will do. And I kind of wish that the higher had a separate fan button instead of using the fan speed selector and the mode as the same button. That's just kind of stupid in my opinion. But it will work. But if you're impatient and you want to mess around with it and try to change the fan speed, that's not really the best thing. 57. That's good. It's blowing ice cubes. So yeah, this one's a runner. Let's plug back into higher and mess around with this one a bit more. Here's high fan. That's the thing I don't like about this unit. I flipped it over to cool. Mode selector and fan speed selector are the same. Yeah, the thing has a bunch of issues. I get a timer to work on this.